In this video, we'll walk you through how to effectively use our phonics screener. This quick and easy tool will help you identify gaps in your students' phonics skills so you can provide the right support at the right time. Step 1, gather your materials. Peruse the instruction sheet that gives direction on how to score the assessment, then the phonics screener for both the teacher and the student, and something to write with. Choose a quiet area in your classroom where there are no distractions. Now it's time to administer the screener. Begin by explaining to the student that you'll be looking at some letters, sounds, and words together. Encourage them to try their best and remind them it's okay if they don't know everything yet. Starting up here, we're going to work on letter sounds. I'm going to point to a letter and tell me the sound that it makes. If you don't know it, let's go to the next letter.
A, ah.
Okay.
Ah.
Good.
D, p, s, t, a, u, I. Don't know this one.
Okay.
Don't know U either. Don't know W either.
Okay.
Ah.
Here are some make-believe words. Can you read them by sounding them out and putting the sounds together?
I, sat, lut.
Once you finish, take note of any patterns you see. If the student misses more than 5 points in any target skill, stop the survey for that skill. They need more instruction in that area. See you next time.